Hi, today I'm from Asus Zenfone 10 and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So open first the settings, then tap to connected devices and click to connection preferences. To activate NFC option or to turn it off, we should click on this switcher. So also get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here NFC icon. If you don't see this icon here, tap to this edit icon and scroll down here. In this down section you will find the NFC option. Just hold it and drag it to your panel to this up section, then just click to go back to save the changes and here click to NFC option to activate it or to turn it off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.